Welcome to Assemble, the system designed to help you with your takeoffs and estimating. Here's your project dashboard where you can create new projects and group similar projects into folders. From here, you can upload a set of construction drawings and you'll be ready to do your first takeoff. Assemble is automatically set as 1/4 inch is equal to a foot, but in this drop down here, you can select all of the various page scales. So the best practice is to make a known length measurement and ensure that everything stacks up. If the measurement matches, you know you're good to begin your material takeoff. We'll start with the length tool. You simply select which group you want to add into. Once that's selected, you click to start, click to drop a marker and change direction, and double click to finish the measurement. You will see, as it's being added to the group in the top right hand corner in the measurements drawer, the group is being tallied together for that group total. Now for the area. The same applies. You select what group and category you want to measure into, and for the rectangle, it's simply click, drag, and drop, and you'll get the area of any symmetrical shape. For shapes that are not symmetrical, you can use the polygon. It works the same as the length tool. Click to start, click to drop a marker and change direction, and double click to finish the measurement. Again, in the measurements drawer, you will see the total for each group as well as the items that make up the sum total. The count does exactly what it says on the tin. Let's create a new category, carpentry, and create the group's doors within that category. Now you can simply go around the plans, clicking all of the doors that you see, and you will have a total of doors within this project. The annotation feature allows you to write on the plans. This will come in handy when you download the marked up PDFs you could send to clients, subcontractors, or even guys within your own team. This avoids any confusion and delays when you get on site. One of the great features with Assemble is adding additional parameters. By checking the box in the middle of the measurements drawer, you will be able to add height, width, depth, and pitch. So in this example, for internal walls, we're going to add a height, nice high ceilings of 8 feet 6 inches, and you'll see we get the total square footage of walls. That can be used for plastering, painting, any number of measurements. Using this feature, you can add in a depth to get your volume of concrete, for example, or add a pitch in to get total area of roof. So this feature is really good for various different trades. Once you're happy you've completed your takeoff, you can hit download measurements and we'll send you your marked up PDFs as well as any measurements you've done in an Excel spreadsheet. This has been a really high-level demonstration on how you can get started with your first takeoff on Assemble. There is a lot more to unpack and discover. Feel free to reach out to us and set up a personalized demo.